Okay, going to discuss 2023 A-level government intervention question. So this question, they have tested the excess supply purchase situation under the minimum price. So it is better to draw a sketch like this before getting the answers. Okay, so they are giving demand equation 120 minus 0.5p and giving a supply equation of minus 30 plus p, right? So let's put the equilibrium prices firstly. So equilibrium price, how to take? QD equals QS, right? So they are asking the equilibrium price and quantity as the part A. So let's find out quickly. QD equals QS, 120 minus 0.5p equals minus 30 plus p, minus 30 going to this side, 120 plus 30, 0.5p going to this side, plus 0.5p. So this is 1.5p, this is 150. Both sides divided from 1.5. So you are getting an answer of 100 is your equilibrium price. Now let's take the equilibrium quantity. So take the demand equation 120 minus 0.5p, instead of p apply the equilibrium price. $70. Okay, that is 70. Now let's take the minimum supply price and maximum demand price as well. So how to take the maximum demand price? ඒවා දැන් question එකේ අහලා නැති වුණාට අපි මේවා ගමු. එතකොට ලේසියි අපිට. QD වලට දැන් maximum demand price කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? quantity එක 0 වලදී demand කරන price එක. එහෙනම් QD වලට 0 දා. 120 minus 0.5p. Both sides divided from 0.5. So 120 over 0.5. 240. So this value 240. Right, let's take the minimum supply price as well. So write down the QS equation, minus 30 plus p. So write down QS is 0. Minus 30 plus p. Minus 30 coming to this side as plus 30. So your price is 30. This is 30. Right. Basic දේවල් ඔක්කොම ටික දාගත්තා. Now read the question again. Suppose the government has decided to introduce a price support program with a price floor set 120 rupees per kilogram. Right, 120 rupees per kilogram means what? So this is the minimum price. 120 rupees per kilogram. This is the minimum price. Okay, this is the minimum price. Now at this 120, at the part B they are asking what is the excess supply. At this 120, how much of quantity demand they are demanding and how much of supply they are going to supply, quantity supply. So you have to find out the QS and QD. You have to find out the QS figure and QD figure. So let's find out. Okay, now write down the demand equation. QD equals 120 minus 0.5p. Need to find out the quantity demand at the price of 120. 120 දී demand කරන quantity එක. එහෙනම් 0.5 into 120. Right? So this is 60. Quantity demand 60. Okay, quantity demand 60. let's find out the QS value. Let's find out the QS value. So minus 30 plus P. So P venuwata daganna 120. How much? 90. 90. 90. Now Lamai, the thing you have to understand is what? Excess supply is taken when the QS is greater than the QD. So your QS is 90, your QD is 60, so your excess supply is 30. Your excess supply is 30. Your excess supply is 30. So that is from million units. Million units, 30. 30. Part B answer. So if you can write down this one, make what liyanna puluwan na hondai hara deken then 30 million units kiyala. So it will be better. Now they are asking to compute the cost of the government. The cost of the government. Now, how much is the excess supply? The oya metanadi hitannone metana meyala kiyenawani to compute excess supply kiyala. So oya metana hitannone metana government is going to conduct an excess supply purchase scheme. Excess supply purchase scheme they are going to conduct. ඔයා එහෙම හිතන්න ඕනේ හරිද? එහෙනම් excess supply into price flow. එහෙනම් excess supply how much? 30 million units. 30 million units. And price flow is how much? 120. 120. 120 is the price flow. 3,600 million is the government cost. 3,600 is the government cost. Excess supply 30 million need to be purchased at 120 per unit. So 3,600 million is the cost of the government. 3,600 million is the cost of the government. Next, they are asking to compute the dead weight loss. Dead weight loss means what? This area. You know that under the excess supply purchase scheme, dead weight loss and social welfare loss taking two different values. So your dead weight loss value is this one. This area. This area. Right? But this entire area is coming as what? Social welfare loss. This entire area, right? Only this area coming as dead weight loss. So if you can find out the area of that triangle, you can get the dead weight loss. Right. Let's find out the dead weight loss area. This is a triangle. Half multiplied by base. Base. 70 to 90, 20. Multiplied by height. Multiplied by height. This is 120. This is 120, but you don't know what is the exact price for this 90 units. You don't know what is the exact price for this 90 units. Okay, so let's find out that one too. So let's find some space here. Let's find here. Right. Now you found the base, okay? For the height, you have to take this figure. This figure you have to take. Right. 90කදී demand කරන price එක කීයද? Quantity එක 90 දී demand කරන price එක. එහෙනම් demand equation එක ඕනේ ඔයාට 120 minus 0.5p QD වලට 90 දාගන්න 90 දාගෙන P වල value එක හොයන්න. 0.5p equals 30. How much you are getting? 30 divided by 0.5, you are getting 60. 60. So your height is metana 60, metana 120. Metana 60, metana 120. So this is the height. Height is 60 there. So your answer is 600 million is your dead weight loss. දැන් ඒක හොයන එක ලේසි නෑ. හරිද? ඒක දැන් අර මෙතන ඔයා දාගත්ත figures එක ඔයාට මෙතන base එක හොයන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයාට base එක හොයන්න පුළුවන්, but it is difficult to find out the height because you have to get this value 60. 60 හොයන විදිහ තමයි මේ තිබ්බේ. Right? So this is the answer for 2023 A-level government intervention question.